Welcome to this in-depth review of Kagi Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet designed to make managing your digital assets more efficient and secure than ever. Kagi Wallet offers an intuitive interface combined with robust security measures, ensuring the users of all experience levels can safeguard their cryptocurrency investments with ease. Whether you're managing Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other popular cryptocurrencies, Kagi Wallet provides multi-currency support and a streamlined user experience to suit your needs. The platform's clean design and user-friendly dashboard make navigation effortless. Users can quickly view their portfolio, track transactions, and execute transfers with minimal hassle. Additionally, the wallet supports integration with decentralized apps, providing users with seamless access to DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces. Kagi Wallet stands out for its emphasis on security. It employs advanced encryption technology, secure key storage, and optional biometric authentication to keep your funds safe from potential threats. The wallet also offers a recovery phrase feature to ensure you can always regain access to your account in the event of device loss or theft. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Kagi Wallet also provides options for managing transaction fees, allowing users to adjust priorities based on their needs. This is particularly useful during periods of high network congestion. The wallet's customer support team is readily available to assist with any queries, ensuring that help is just a click away when you need it. For those new to the cryptocurrency space, Kagi Wallet offers educational resources within the platform. Users can find guides, FAQs, and tips to help them navigate the complexities of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency management. This wallet is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a secure, versatile, and user-friendly solution for their digital assets. Its commitment to innovation and security has earned it a spot as one of the top crypto wallets in 2024. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most reliable information in the world of cryptocurrency.